A long time ago, my esthetician told me that I needed to use toner. So I never really understood the importance of toner until I finally started using it. I'm 50 and I do treatments here at my medical spa at Fusion Medispa, but not that often. Home care to me is definitely what's maintained a lot of the treatment results that I've gotten. And I just want to talk to you about toner a little bit, why it's important. So toner is what's going to bring the pH balance of your skin back to where it's supposed to be after using soap. Soap is going to strip a lot of your oils from your skin. Your pH balance on your face is very different than your pH balance on the rest of your body or on your hair. So I hear some people that will use shampoo or their body soap for their face. No, different pH. So it could be hydrating. I'm kind of dry, so I will traditionally use a hydrating balancer. So it's not an astringent, you know, the traditional witch hazel, things like that. For some of you, it might feel good that you feel that you're getting all of that oil and dirt off, but that's not what it's supposed to do. Toner is supposed to rebalance your skin. Okay, so real simple. I love this one because it's a spray. So I can just spray it on, and then I just wait a minute or two for it to settle, or you can spray it on your gauze or your cotton at home and very gently, you know, just wipe around the whole area. And please, ladies, don't forget your neck. So the toner from HydroPeptide, the peptides on here, I'll definitely feel some skin tightening. The hydrating balance from ClearChoice, that one I really feel the hydration. Okay, so this is tightening with hydration. This is just hydration. The hydrating balance, by the way, when you're traveling, game changer for the airplane. So if you have any questions, just whoops. Got them. Add them to the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer. I'll have my clinical team, also the clinical estheticians, answer any questions you have. Thank you.